Okay guys, 2010 Jeep Liberty. Come down here and wait. It's making the strangest sound. It is a rapid ticking noise, lasts about 8 seconds, maybe not even that long, 5 seconds. Occurs when the car's on, when the car's off. Everything works properly as far as AC, heat, cruise control, radio, all the basic stuff works. Not having any problems as far as the feel of the car goes when I'm driving. Everything seems to be working. Haven't had any battery issues as far as getting drained. So I'm kind of ruling electrical out, but I don't guess you can rule anything out. Hopefully, before my dang phone reaches its size limit, we'll get to hear the noise. And hopefully you guys will be able to tell me the answers. It seems to be coming from back here. And that's, up under the dash, straight in the middle of the screen where that black, you can see the black hole, it goes back up under the dash. That is where it appears to be coming from. It's not coming from inside the engine. Not anywhere underneath the car, but rather somewhere in there. Another reason I don't think it's electrical is because I've been sticking my hand up in there while it's been going on. I haven't got shocked yet, but it's always time for a good shocking. I'm only going to be able to let you hear this once, just because the time between it happening, it varies. I've had it happen twice in 2 minutes. Other times it goes about 10 or 15 minutes in between. Regardless, I'll put at what point in the video in the description, so you can just fast forward and replay it as many times as you want. When it goes off, I don't see anything back there moving or any kind of arc. I did think it was an arc, an electrical arc at one point, but to say I've kind of ruled that out just on basic diagnostics. So hopefully this dang thing will start ticking. Sorry, I'm gonna have to reposition. Alright, she performed for you. So yeah, any help on that would be appreciated. Thanks.